Disneyland, new thrills on Jungle Ride. Let's visit Adventureland in Walt Disney's fun-filled park. All aboard for a new look at the jungle rivers of the world. The overgrown river holds many mysteries for our boatload of brave passengers. Animals lurk at every turn, like these water buffalo. Watch out for the hippos. Twisting and turning, these boats are scale reproductions of the ones used on the Amazon River in South America. Look, over there on the shore, a pride of lions, busy with the noonday meal. That gorilla looks pretty mean. Better keep away from him. Those spears mean one thing. Keep going. Behind them, our passengers have also left savage bull elephants, hungry crocodiles, giant butterflies, and beautiful flowers. Another trip ends in Adventureland, one of the many thrills at Disneyland, USA.